Ja, Kruzifix, was ist denn das hier wieder? Schon wieder fluchen beim ersten Mal. Was ist das denn tun? Oh, hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2. But it's actually a Part 3 used by Dap Nation CB. On the Part 338 Twitch edition! Yay! I thought yesterday, oh come on, let's go to Twitch, you know, just for the morning times, the sun is crack. I still can download that stuff and can upload it on YouTube, you know, nobody cares anyway then. So, yeah, well. But where is Twitch actually on my cell phone? That's the other part. Okay, let's check me out. How's it going? We doing actually a kind of a West Coast Arena special. All the cars trying once, getting through with the reward. And so on and so on and so on. Yesterday I was very sleepy. So I just broke up on YouTube, you know. Hey. Let's see. It says it's CarX. No joke. CarX Drift Racing Online. Twitch is amazing. Just comment. It already says what kind of a game you're playing instead of YouTube. Ja, kind of. Mal schauen, was alles in der Birne reingeht. Ach nee, was ist denn hier wieder, ey? Verbindung zum Chat wird noch hergestellt. Oh Gott. Look at that, even the car has a Twitch, you know, color. How perfect is that? Hey, that's why. Nur ganz kurz. Yes, yes, sir. Already 3 watchers. What's going on? Trying really to go with myself and actually say hello all, like all the times. Hello all, but it takes forever. All right, let me deal done with this other woman here. Birdie. Say 3 and 0, right, or something. Das kann ich lieber Birdie schreiben. Okay, let's go. Was ist denn jetzt wieder? Oh nein, jetzt muss ich mich noch anmelden. Du willst mich wohl verarschen. Jetzt habe ich aber echt die Schnauze voll. Oh, echt. I was so long not by YouTube, by Twitch anymore. I need to. Oh gosh, now the code is coming somewhere. Oh, here we go. Ja, bin ich denn schon drin oder was? Ja, jetzt bist du schon wieder drin, ja. There we go. Was macht das denn wieder, ey? Warum muss ich mich am Handy nicht anmelden? Ach, jetzt kommt das hier auch noch, ey. Jetzt wird aber die Zeit langsam knapp, du. Kann ich vielleicht auch mal selber was schreiben hier im Chat? Ah, jetzt schreibe ich es nicht nochmal, ne? Aber gut, ich schreibe es nochmal. There we go.
Hello all for a little nip for the next 30 minutes.
Du schaltest dich mal aus, Meister. bin doch angemeldet hier, oder? Ja. Kann ich dann nicht schreiben? Noch besser, wo sehe ich nichts? Nur für Followers. Weird cell phone. Cheers up, Capana, Strawberry City, so looks like possibly next stream. So, was passiert's? Hatten wir den Count schon yesterday? Jedes Auto, habe ich gesagt. Hab ich schon Gold. Fuck. Und das andere wartet. 1600 to beat. Alright. Ach, da kenne ich noch andere. Der fix, das Gas rennt aus. Deutsch ganz gut. Dann warte was. Mach schnell nur. Ist die Mucke da? Oder wird die aus... Ich hab sie ausgeschalten. Wie das immer gleich merke, obwohl die Kopfhörer auf haben. Und den Earplug. Nicht gemeint mit dem Follower-Modus da. Das war jetzt nicht so gemeint. Ich dachte eher, die nicht folgen, dürfen jetzt 30 Minuten was quatschen. Das tut mir schrecklich leid, das war nicht so gemeint. Holy crap. All die Freunde, die alle haben könntest. To beat at 2.6. Compremos. So gibt nicht das Ergebnis. Alter, das Auto macht doch 0 Punkte, oder? Well, without the heat put up there, it makes no points. Seriously, 0 points. That was weird. This BMW has a big problem. Man stellt die Tires auch schon. Jetzt kommt da schon wieder dieser Sand, oder was? Kann denn Afrika da unten nicht mal zusammenkehren? Das ist fies. Ja, wir sind immer so sauber, ne? aber die anderen Länder, um was geht, dann haben wir die größte Emissionsverschmutzung. Und woher kommt's? Wohl kaum von uns. Ich verstehe es nicht. Warum hat dieses Auto so eine schlechte... Das gibt's doch nicht. Ui, da ist so ein neuer Motor dazu gekommen, oder was? War doch immer 5, oder? Das sind auch 5. Test. Long test. Next vehicle. Ci sa campana suave servizio di col porto del next stream. Still 20 minutes left. Oh, das ist ein schöner Song. Schwarze Gitarre von Haargicht. Normal stehe ich nicht so auf den Trash, aber es gibt Tage, wo ich sage, no problem, I can handle it. Vamos. Oh, crazy. Yay! I think that was 100 XP or something. Yeah, 100 XP and 100 XP points. I beat it. At 2.6. I didn't watch it actually. I don't know. Maybe. Good morning. Got a Meg and Nitro'theBat. Oh. Now he's watchable now. He's watching us intensely. Aber ohne Gitarre, ne? Und ohne Shirt. Ja, was ist denn hier kaputt? 2,355 points to beat. Ist der wach, Mann, er wacht. Wo ist denn der rote Deckel eigentlich? Ja, warte mal was. Couldn't beat it. Get high. Next vehicle. Was passiert? Oh, I don't have actually something on it. Shall we drive it then? Yeah, let's just check it out for a test mode. Why not? It has no setup right now and no tuning. But I'm playing every car, I told myself. Tequila Paula today. Nobody else. Yeah, with all the setup. Sen kanske optiker vi kollar. So close. Okay, very surprisingly, it's a Subaru. Well, not so surprisingly, it is a Subaru. I need to go to the toilet, be right back, sorry for that one. It's close to 6 o'clock, all the times I have a little business to deal with. Oh man, that vegetable shitting, you know, it stings like whatever. Rotten hell. Inside body on me here is a black spider, and I told her actually, close your mouth now, it stings. Still actually tingle around here. Oh, what the hell? I think spiders don't smell right. I'm not sure actually. I'll be sorry for that spider. Boah, das riecht wieder, ey. Ein richtiger Abfallschiss. Was? Ach, ich muss sprühen, das hilft nicht, sonst stinkt die ganze Bude noch Abfall. My craziness. Must be 9 before 6 o'clock now. After around 6 o'clock, I mean, a.m. Oh, 7 minutes. Uh-oh. Hurry up, he says. Next vehicle. Definitely this car I need to do deal done tonight or something. I think yesterday we beat actually a record by 6,400 points. Maybe. May I just... There was another one actually. Ah, so much snot. So enough tequila today. Tschüss auf Campana, Strawberry, Lisa, Lutz, Gold, Brot, Edition spielen. Jetzt wird er halt an Sporten vergessen haben. Ja, warte. Next vehicle. Engine. Oh, crazy car. It's just a V8 destroys actually the completely car. How I can tell, physics somehow. 180 in a sec. So better say, actually, I couldn't actually stabilize the vehicle with these suspension work. Compramos. A cool car. May I just fixed it? I'm not sure. It was working very well. No. Another prototype I didn't touch, only installed actually these ultimate part. Čiže op ten na šrovi se liče, da skoj prosto bližnjih stykker. Ja. Good morning, erst einmal aus Bayern. Es ist kurz vor 6 Uhr. Wird langsam Zeit in die Arbeit zu fahren. Manche andere sind schon seit einer halben Stunde in der Arbeit. Vielleicht haben sie auch Arbeit, weiß man nicht. Holy crap, this is a ranky car, eh? Fühlt sich an, als wäre man irgendwo in so einem Hollywood-Film mitwirken, oder man will die Car unbedingt zum Ziel wollen. The gold. That's the wrong engine for that vehicle. Oh my god. Mr. Wanky Boy. Alright. He's nice. You wanna overflip? Nice vehicle. What a graphic, dude. Next vehicle. I meant to watch yourselves after. Another one I didn't tuned up. I know this car. I just built it up in DefRekka account for 2 years ago. 1.5. Yeah, it's 1.5 years ago. Let's get raped away. Mostly have to say, no, I believe that Sony just raped me away. Equator. Gambarimasu. Holy crap. Good luck to you. There's some XOs out there. Nice one. Good luck to you. Let's have the ultimate part on it, and that's it. Sweet. 132 XP. Holy crap. Why so many points? The other one was actually getting 114, 124. Weird. Next vehicle. Another car I never actually tuned up since the 3 years I'm on this game. Right there. How about that? Usually beating up the 1.5k for the gold, but it needs a little tuning. Suspension of some kind is blocking. Maybe it's the weight in the back, I'm not sure. But the problem on this car, you can't deal down actually kind of these XDS, you get problems because the hack is actually so big, you know, too long. So it makes problems actually points or these box stuff, you make points actually. You get problems with this vehicle then. That doesn't matter. Here we go, finally a tuned car for myself. So we can do done here. 2073 to be. Oh, lost cigarette for at home. Cheers up. Alright, vi med vi så tun. Kreuz tut weh, die Knie tun weh. Kan bara det. Plus 1,600 DP points plus 133 easily. That's Subaru. Melody Darna. Next vehicle, Zero. Oh, look at that, 2026. What was it on the other car? It was, I think, the same points, right? Holy crack. No, well done up. 頑張ります。 a lot of fails. The car can do definitely even more. Beginning over the bridge. And right actually up real hard. Nice one. 790 points more. DP points. So the two last cars before leaving here. Thanks for watching a little while. Renya. Oh yeah. Oh, already we beat up a 3,664. Oh crap. Ganbatte. Hi, konnichiwa for the Nihongo guy. Already maybe I have afternoon. 40 after all, send this track. Don't give up, homie. Always a beginning of damage. But hey, we beat the gold. I wish myself so much back actually the drag race. FCD3S. FD3S. Or 3,100 or 3,400 points to beat. Aber das geht nochmal angezogen. Gut. Yes, I beat myself. 200 DP points more. Nice one. Good one. Yeah, front of the work, that's why I need to keep it away. I said a half hour. Now we're on a 34 minutes now. 2 cars and then I'm leaving because we're actually nearby. We have to work. Wellington. I have no tune set up, no setup actually right now. Well, let's prove it. We're done with this. Save every car. Jetzt bräuchten wir eine andere Mucke. Cheers up. Gambatte. are irritated. Get Wellington back. Get Wellington back. Oh, I'll be playing with words today. Nice one. About tuning, okay. Feels like actually working with placebo working on suspension. Next, vehicle. I do. Long time I played again with this. Oh, 3,364 crack. Shoe. Somebody else. Doesn't matter, finance car. Next vehicle. And the last vehicle now. I mean, the last vehicle for the live stream. Continue in the afternoon. Midnight. Let's see, another one I didn't tune, the 114 cars from 116 cars. Alright, that's my last car. Thank you very much for watching. Need to go to the toilet, get my clothes on. Somebody else, and good luck out there. Have a nice day. Have a nice Friday. Oh, look at that. Nice one. Wow. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you later, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.